The struggle is real getting noticed on YouTube. Want to be a YouTube star? It's tough. You need subscribers, you need watch hours. But getting them, that's the real challenge. It's like trying to find diamonds in your backyard. You're creating awesome content, spending hours brainstorming and filming. You're pouring your heart into it, but nobody's watching. The views just aren't coming in. What gives? The truth? YouTube is crowded, really crowded. It's like a bustling city where everyone is vying for attention. Millions of videos are competing for attention. Standing out is hard. It's a constant battle to get noticed. Growing your channel feels impossible. The frustration builds up and you start to feel overwhelmed. You start to doubt yourself. You wonder if you're cut out for this. Is it even worth it? Don't give up. Every successful YouTuber has been where you are. There's a secret weapon you need. Restream. Restream can change everything. It's a game changer. Check out for the link in the description to boost your watch hours and subscribers today. It can boost your channel. Imagine seeing your analytics soar. It can help you reach more people. Live streaming to multiple platforms at once can expand your audience. It can make getting those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours way easier. Ready to learn how? Keep watching. Enter Restream, your secret weapon for YouTube domination. What is Restream? It's a live streaming platform, but it's not just for gamers. It's for anyone who wants to grow their YouTube channel faster. Think of Restream as a megaphone for your live streams. Here's the deal. Restream lets you stream to multiple platforms at once. YouTube, check. Facebook, check. Twitch, check. You get the idea. More platforms mean more viewers. More viewers mean more subscribers. More subscribers mean more watch hours. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. Restream isn't just about reaching more people. It's about saving you time and energy. Imagine this. You only have to set up your stream once. Restream does the rest, sending your awesome content to all your platforms. No more juggling multiple windows or complicated setups. More time to create amazing content. More time to engage with your viewers. More time to relax and enjoy the ride. With Restream, you can focus on what you do best, creating and connecting. Let Restream handle the rest, and watch your YouTube channel soar to new heights. Restream in action. How it works its magic. Okay, so Restream sounds cool, but how does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. It's easier than you think. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. First, you'll need to create a Restream account. Don't worry, it's free. Just head over to their website and sign up. Link in the description. Once you're all signed up, you can connect your YouTube channel and any other platforms you want to stream to. This includes Facebook, Twitch, and more. Now comes the fun part. Going live. With just a few clicks, you're ready to broadcast to the world. When you're ready to stream, simply start your stream on Restream. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Restream will automatically broadcast your stream to all the platforms you've connected. No need to juggle multiple streams. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more subscribers. Watch your audience grow as you reach more people. But Restream's magic doesn't stop there. It offers a suite of advanced tools to enhance your streaming experience. It also gives you powerful tools to make your streams even better. You can customize your stream with overlays, chatbots, and more. You can add overlays, chatbots, and even invite guests to join your stream. This makes your content more dynamic and interactive. These features make your streams more engaging and professional, keeping your viewers hooked. With Restream, you can take your live streaming to the next level. Section 4. Supercharge your subscriber count with Restream. Remember that feeling of watching your subscriber count crawl up at a snail's pace? Restream can change that. Here's how. Imagine you're streaming on YouTube. You're talking about your latest video game obsession. People are watching. They're enjoying it. But what if you could reach even more gamers? With Restream, you can. By simultaneously streaming on Twitch, you tap into a massive community of gaming enthusiasts. They see your awesome content, they love your energy, they hit that subscribe button. Boom, your subscriber count skyrockets. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Restream helps you attract viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. They're more likely to stick around, watch more of your videos, and become loyal fans. Section 5. Restream hacks, tips and tricks for YouTube success. Ready to unleash the full power of Restream on your YouTube channel? Here are some pro tips to maximize your results. Promote your streams. Let people know when and where you're going live. Use social media, tell your friends, shout it from the rooftops, engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask questions, make your viewers feel like they're part of the conversation. Use high-quality equipment. Good audio and video go a long way. Invest in a decent microphone and webcam. Be consistent. Stream regularly so your viewers know when to expect you. Experiment with different platforms. Don't be afraid to try streaming on different platforms to see where your content resonates best. Section 6. Real-world triumphs. YouTubers. Crushing it with Restream. Don't just take my word for it. Countless YouTubers are already using Restream to achieve incredible results. Take insert name of a popular YouTuber, for example. They started using Restream to reach a wider audience. The result? Their subscriber count exploded, and their watch hours went through the roof. Or how about insert name of another successful YouTuber? They used Restream to connect with viewers on multiple platforms, leading to a surge in engagement and brand partnerships. These are just a couple of examples of the transformative power of Restream for YouTube growth. The takeaway? You're not alone in this journey. Restream has already helped countless creators achieve their YouTube dreams, and it can help you too. Section 7. Level up your YouTube game with Restream. Growing a YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of strategy. But with Restream, you can supercharge your journey and reach your goals faster. Restream helps you break free from the shackles of slow growth, allowing you to connect with a larger audience and build a thriving community. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Restream today, start streaming to multiple platforms, and watch your YouTube channel soar to new heights. Find the link in the video description. Your future as a YouTube sensation awaits.